The Philippine government will focus more on strong areas to finally stop human trafficking. This followed the report of the U.S. State Department recently that retained the Philippines' Tier 2 ranking. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valdez said that while the State Department mentioned inadequacies in the government's fight against human trafficking, there are also some positive observations.
There are 10 recommendations and the Interagency Council Against Trafficking intends to act on all 10. Kung makikita po natin, if you go through the entire report, meron pong mga sinite, meron din po tayo namang mga gains, at meron din po tayong mga areas of improvement, areas that need improvement. Meron pong isa doon ay sinasite po kasi nila yung matagal na paglilitis ng mga kaso na may kinalaman sa trafficking. Yung isa naman pong magandang bagay na nakita rin po nila sa ginawa po natin ay tinaasan ho natin yung numero ng mga prosecutors that actually are involved in the trafficking cases. The year before the reporting year, it was 57. Ngayon po tinaasan na to 98. So yun po yung isa doon sa mga magagandang observations naman. So we intend to exert more efforts on the positive areas and to likewise address the recommendations that were raised.